So, Nokia Lumia 920 was announced today. Before we have a look at the software, let's go through the hardware and decide at first. As you can see, the bottom is kind of curved, so it looks like kind of smiling at you. It feels extremely good in the hand, thanks to the shape, thanks to the design that's been designed. On the back, the Nokia car-size camera module is made of ceramic, so it's very, very resistant, hard material. The design in general is based on the polycarbonate unibody fabulous design, familiar from Nokia Lumia 900 that was announced earlier, kind of a multiple award-winning device. So if you go to the device, I don't know where to start from. First of all, absolutely gorgeous display out there. The best display on a smartphone in the market. So basically, you have Pure Motion HD Plus, that is the brightest amongst the most responsive displays that really stands out. And as you can see, the colors are extremely sharp and you know, vibrant. Nokia Lumia 920 comes with absolutely, like, you know, best-in-class mobile navigation. If we go, for example, well, I could show you Nokia Maps and so on, but let's not go there. Let's go to the Nokia City Lens that is using Nokia Maps. So when you're exploring a new town to you, and actually you don't even need to be in a new place. You know, if you're based in New York, you'll be living in New York, you think you know the city, you really don't, because there are lots of places you haven't found yet. Let's have a look at, for example, what food, what restaurants there are in the vicinity. Here you can see the kind of a condensation or density of the direction where the restaurants are located. Then you start to pan, and it shows automatically the restaurants where they are. The more distant ones are shown on kind of a smaller icons on the background, and then the ones closer, they are in the kind of a larger icons. Some of them have ratings, and you can also see the distance to that place. So let's have a look at this one. It goes automatically to Nokia Maps, and it shows you, first of all, it shows you what is the address, what is the phone number to that place, what is the website. In some of the places you have photos tagged from that restaurant. You can also read reviews, and you can write your own review. You can also see what are nearby to that restaurant in that place. So, you want to go there, you're hungry, just get the directions, and it automatically goes to Nokia Maps, shows you how to get there. In this case, the restaurant is very close, so you can walk there very easily. If it's more far away, just switch to the car mode and it shows how you drive there. But what's really unique in this camera is that it's the world's first smartphone with optical image stabilization. So when you're taking a photo, you know, you often feel shaky, your hand is shaking, and obviously that can be seen in the result. It's a blur image. But we have this optical image stabilization software that counteracts against the trembling of your hand, and as a result you get really steady images. Also, it's the best camera ever on smartphone for low light condition imaging. So I can show you a couple of examples. Let's go here. I have a folder from New York downtown. For example, we were benchmarking our camera capabilities. This image has been taken using a leading competitor device at nighttime in New York. So it looks, you see the sign, you see what is reading on the signs, but really the background is very, very blurred. So now I show you the same image, exactly the same location, same time. Please note, same time, using Nokia Lumia 920 and the PureView camera with optical image stabilization in. So you basically see the sign, but you also see the rest of the picture as you should. I don't have to explain the difference, you can see it from the image.
Cool, thank you.